In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a profit and loss report in QuickBooks Online. This report, often called a P&L or income statement, is one of the most important tools you have for understanding how your business is performing. It shows your income, your expenses, and ultimately whether you're making a profit or a loss over a specific period of time. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, right inside QuickBooks Online. First, from your QuickBooks dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with different options like Dashboard, Banking, Sales, and so on. In that list, click on Reports. This is the main place where QuickBooks stores all of your standard financial reports. Once you're on the Reports page, you have two easy ways to find the profit and loss report. At the top of the page, there's a search bar. You can start typing Profit and Loss, and QuickBooks will suggest the report for you. Go ahead and click on the Profit and Loss option when it appears. If you prefer to browse, you can scroll down to the section called Business Overview. Under that section, you'll see Profit and Loss listed there as well. Click on it to open the report setup screen. Now that the report is open, the next step is to set the report period. At the top, you'll see a drop-down labeled Report Period. Click on that menu and choose the time frame you want to analyze. You can choose options like this month, this quarter, this year, or last month. If you need something more specific, select Custom and enter your own start and end dates. This is helpful if you want to see, for example, a specific project period or a non-standard fiscal period. Next, decide which accounting method you want the report to use. You'll see an option to select either cash or accrual. Choose the one that matches how you keep your books. Cash basis shows income when money is actually received and expenses when they're paid. Accrual basis shows income when it's earned and expenses when they're incurred, regardless of when cash moves. If you're not sure which one applies to you, it's usually based on what you or your accountant selected when you set up your business accounting. Once your date range and accounting method look right, you're ready to generate the report. Click the Run Report button. QuickBooks will refresh the page and display your profit and loss statement based on the options you selected. From here, you can review your income, your expenses, and your net profit or loss for that period, and you're done.